how to attract abundance and good luck before the next full moon. The first thing that you need to do is you need to cleanse your space. Make sure that your energy hygiene is a top priority. So you can burn frankincense, you can burn sage, Palo Santo, you can burn all of these herbs together, or you can get something which is called the bay leaf ritual. We have an entire kit of herbs and resins that is mixed, and it's a special formula. You can burn that. Number 2, you need to clear clutter in your house, especially in the northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast, and west. Basically, all 8 sectors. Just cleanse all of the clutter in your house. Clutter is not just things that you're not using or things that are broken. Clutter is also stuff that, is broken. Clutter is also stuff that you just hoard. So get rid of all of that. And the third thing is you need to activate certain sectors before the next full moon. The first sector I'd like you to activate is the north. Make sure you keep something blue there. I also suggest for people before the coming full moon to get themselves a dragon, because this is the year of the dragon. Get yourself a dragon and keep it on your work table. If you haven't done that already, do it now and see how everything changes on the next full moon.